I don't have a fancy case study to show you, know how I made 10K in a week story. But I do know this. I do know how it feels like to stare at an empty box, wondering how or when you're gonna get your first client. So if this is you right now, then this video is absolutely for you. So here's the thing. Most advisors assume you already have something brewing, a network, portfolio, testimonials. But what if you're starting from absolute zero? You can't leverage referrals if you don't have clients. And most definitely, you can't showcase results if you haven't had a project yet. So let's talk about how to actually start. Here's what worked for me and others who started off with absolutely nothing. 1. Pick one service to offer. Not I do websites, social media, copyright, no, just one. Say something like, I help small businesses fix their messy Google Docs. 2. Find people who already need the service that you offer. And you can do this by going to places or socials like Facebook groups, Reddit threads, and or even on X. Don't pitch it though. Just answer questions for free, at first that is. And number 3, turn free work into paid work. After helping someone, say something like, if you want me to actually fix this for you, I'm currently taking on a few paid projects this month. Most won't say no if you've already helped. I've put together a free first client cheat sheet with the exact script on how to ask for work without sounding salesy. Want it? Comment first client below and I'll send it over. And if you're tired of advice that only works after you are already successful, hit the subscribe button. Let's figure this out together.